Hey there, aspiring fellows. Ever dream of getting paid to write? Well, guess what? That dream can be your reality. The internet is bursting with opportunities for freelance writers, and in this video, we'll be diving into the world of paid online writing jobs. So, what exactly are these paid online writing jobs? Imagine this. Businesses need content for their websites, blogs, social media, you name it. That's where you come in. As a freelance writer, you'll craft engaging articles, product descriptions, website copy, and more, all from the comfort of your own home or your favorite coffee shop if that's your vibe. Is it all sunshine and rainbows? Well, while flexibility and remote work are definite perks, freelance writing takes dedication and hustle. You'll be your own boss, which means finding clients, managing your time, and meeting deadlines are all on you. But hey, the rewards are worth it. Now, how do you land these online writing gigs? Here are a few places to get started. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with businesses looking for writers. Browse projects, pitch your skills, and get started building your freelance portfolio. Content mills. These platforms offer a steady stream of writing jobs, often at a lower rate but a good option for beginners to gain experience. Some popular ones include ProBlogger, Constant Content, and ClickBank. Direct outreach. Don't be shy. Reach out to businesses you admire and see if they need writing help. This can lead to long-term partnerships and higher-paying gigs. Remember, the key is to showcase your skills. Having a strong online portfolio with writing samples is a must. Polish your resume, highlight your areas of expertise, and be prepared to convince clients you're the writer for the job. Online writing can be a fantastic way to turn your passion for words into a source of income. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner writer and explore the exciting world of freelance writing, get out there and start crafting your success story. For more tips and resources, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative career hacks.